I've always been fascinated by nature. It is in part why I'm a doctor. I'm certain that the further we travel away from nature, the worse our physical and psychological health becomes. City versus countryside. Easy choice. In 2013, I left the NHS disillusioned with the current firefighting medical model that I was complicit in. I was ticking boxes, not addressing the actual concerns of those sat in front of me. I wanted to do what I set out to achieve from the very beginning, to make a real difference. The fundamentals of health are lost in a sea of misinformation, and there is a wide chasm between prevention and cure. To effect a positive change, you need to address the person as a whole, not just a condition. Testosterone deficiency syndrome is one of the areas that I saw needed someone to stand tall and to challenge current attitudes and practices. From very humble beginnings, we now have our very own bespoke TRT clinic that brings in people from all over the world. Our ethos is one of prevention, supporting and working with our patients in their respective journeys. Every single journey begins with a face-to-face consultation. We will go over your medical history, thoroughly review your blood work, and perform a physical examination. The final part of this step is a full body analysis using our research-grade scanner. This allows us to record and track data relating to your physical health, as well as providing you with a benchmark to work from. After discussing the benefits and risks of testosterone replacement therapy, together we will decide if treatment is in your best interests. Today is day one. The fundamentals of health should be lifestyle, nutrition, and exercise, then hormonal health, and then modern medicine. Testosterone replacement is simply a foundation. Take that next step forward. Challenge yourself. Immerse yourself in nature. Your DNA depends on it.